Welcome to Simple Lifestyle channel. Please subscribe to help me grow this channel. If you want to lose weight, then you need to start eating less and more healthily. Many of us are not the size we want to be, and the primary reason for that is that we eat too much and we eat too much of the wrong things. The problem is that it isn't as easy to fix your diet as you might initially expect. Eating right means that you need the money to spend on fruits and vegetables. Then you need the time to prepare all the food and clean up afterward. If you're going to start eating healthier, then the smart thing to do is to think ahead and to make this as easy as possible so that you don't get caught out by a lack of time, motivation or space. Here are some ways to do that. Get the right appliances. If you want to make cooking in the kitchen easier, then there are a ton of appliances and gadgets that can help you to do just that. A great example is a blender or a food processor. This can be used to mix fruits into a smoothie, or to mix vegetables into a soup. Either way, this will give you a ton of highly beneficial nutrients in an easy-to-eat form factor that will only take a few minutes to prepare. Another good example is a dishwasher. This will wash up your plates and dishes for you after you've eaten, meaning you'll need to spend less time washing up after you have finished and can spend more time cooking and preparing your food as a result. Learn the right recipes. Of course, being able to cook quickly also comes down to having the right recipes. This is why it's very much spending some time to learn meals that are quick and easy to prepare while still containing lots of highly beneficial nutrients and being low calorie. Cook in bulk. Common advice is to cook at the start of the week and then simply heat it up to eat during the week. This is a nice idea, but the reality is that most of us don't want to give up an entire Sunday to cooking. A better solution then will often be to cook at the usual time but to prepare larger batches. This way, you'll have spare food that you can enjoy on other evenings. You can even freeze some for further in the future. Crucially, this process doesn't take any longer than cooking the usual portions. Eat consistently. One particularly important tip is to try and eat more consistently during the day. That means eating a relatively samey breakfast and lunch. While this isn't as exciting as eating fresh and original meals every day, you'll still have the evening to do that. For breakfast and lunch though, you'll now be able to get your food faster without having to count calories or learn new recipes. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe and hit notification bell for more video.